I love pets more than anyone in the world, mostly dogs. But one thing I've been seeing recently is these sad commercials depicting these injured and upset animals for some reason. And I'm sure you hate these ads too. So that's why we sought to answer the question.
Is family size correlated with the number of pets people have?
In answering that question, we would like to find the families that need to see these pet ads. And now a word from my colleague Caleb.
In order to answer this pressing, important matter, we performed a cluster sampling of the school. We obtained a list of all 66 teachers with a third period class in the school, and then we chose about 6 of them with a random number generator. From there, we surveyed their entire class, and we ran a chi-squared test for independence. Dude, we're rolling.
Oh, we are? Oh, sorry, I got distracted. Okay. What am I saying? Alright, so we grouped our observed values in this table, and from there we calculated our expected values and did a chi-squared test. Were they independent? I don't know.
Alright, so we got a chi-squared value of 0.23 with 4 degrees of freedom. So, are these variable correlated? Well, let's see, because the data says that the null hypothesis is false. Yes, guys, that's right.
Wait,
we did.
No, just. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. I accidentally subtracted by 1. The p-value is actually 0.99, so they're about as independent as you can get. Yeah, p is far greater than any alpha level, so I gotta rethink my life choices.
We fail to reject the null hypothesis. There is insufficient evidence to suggest the number of kids and the number of pets in a household are correlated. We can therefore conclude that the amount of children in a household is independent from the number of pets people own.
So, I hate to tell you some bad news, but turns out they actually weren't correlated.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I had money on this! Well, I guess it's not all that bad, but I mean, I did lose money, but I digress. However, there is no correlation between the two variables. However, I guess we found something sort of interesting, and that was, so we did a pie chart, and it just shows us that majority of families have up to 2 kids and 0 to 2 pets.
So, I guess it wasn't all a waste then, except that I have to carry this absolute unit home now. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And if you really want to support us, don't forget to check out our Patreon. Merch store is in the description below. This has been Caleb and Nate, out.
Let's go. I love cats. So table. I can remember table.
Yeah, and
go.
don't eat that. Hold on, don't eat that.